Hi everyone, thank you so much for coming to spend your time with me again here today. I'm excited. We're going to be talking about an affordable alternative to our beautiful Labradorite stone. Now we all know the beautiful and gorgeous Labradorite flash can be quite costly. I believe this strand that I've made one bracelet from cost me a total of $65. Now let's talk about that. If you're giving that to multiple people, that's a big bill and not a lot of people can afford that. So I'm here to introduce you today, if you've never seen it before, to an alternative to the Labradorite. And look at the flash. It's gorgeous, okay? And this is glass, so it'll cost you a quarter of the price. Now, Labradorite does have its beautiful properties because it is from the earth, but it just cannot be afforded by everyone. And so if you're going to make jewelry for sale, or you're making multiple jewelry, bracelets, necklaces, whatever it is that you're making for family, this may be a great alternative to you. Now, let me show you this strand. This is an 8mm strand. It is darker. It is not the exact color as far as the gray goes. You can clearly see that it's not, but don't let anyone tell you when you're ordering these online that this is gemstone. It is not. It is not even close to a gemstone. It is fabricated glass, okay? It just happens to have this amazing shine and gloss. As you can see, when the light hits it, it's absolutely gorgeous. And if you're making multiple, this strand here cost me about $5–6, not including shipping. You can order it from Amazon, you can order it from Etsy, but please do not let anyone tell you that this is gemstone, because it is not. Nonetheless, makes a gorgeous gift. This bracelet that I make here, I sell on my website, and it is adjustable, so you don't have to guess too much as far as snapping the rubber band when you're gifting it to someone. And look at the flash on this beautiful thing. I put the little beads in between, the spacer beads, and there you go. You can probably make this bracelet for about $10, if that. Let me show you also different colors of this specific glass bead. Look at this one. It's a lighter blue. I put a focal bead just as my design. Also, we have it in pink. Look at the flash, absolutely gorgeous. I make bracelets from these, I make necklaces, and I make earrings. I make the whole shebang. And this color here is my most popular, is the one I sell the most, which I think that is probably why, because it resembles the Labradorite. But this one here, my second to most popular. Everyone loves the purple. It is the most amazing gift, and when the light hits it, it's just a beautiful, beautiful shine. All right. And so that's it for today, guys. I wanted to give you a cheaper alternative. You don't always have to get gemstones to give as gifts. As you could see, these are absolutely gorgeous gifts, and they cost you next to nothing, especially if you're giving it to multiple people, right? So save these for maybe special occasions, and then gift these to multiple people in your life, and I can guarantee you they love it. All right, hon, that's it I've got for you guys today. I hope this was helpful. Stay tuned for the next few videos where I'm going to teach you guys to make some really inexpensive earrings. I will catch you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'd love to have you come along with me on this journey. Take care and have a great one.